For Lana's Monday snack sa school, gawa naman tayo ng no-bake energy bites. It's so easy to make, packed with so many healthy ingredients, and masarap. Yes, gusto to ng daughter ko. Sabi nga niya bakit dalawa lang daw yung binaon ko sa kanya. Matamis na siya because of the pitted dates and I shape it like a munchkin kaya enjoy siya dito sa snack na to. Good source siya of fiber, protein, and omega-3 because of the oats, flaxseed, and almonds. Healthier snack and dessert option din to if you or your child is not allergic to nuts. Pag masyado pa siyang loose, pwede pang mag-add ng 1 tablespoon of water para mas madaling i-form into balls. Then, I added a small amount of chocolate chips para mas enjoyable kainin. Super dali lang gawin, diba? After that, i-form na natin into balls or pwede ring bars if you want. I make this ahead para mas madali yung baon prep ko sa morning. Dito sa recipe na to, I was able to make 12 pieces of energy balls. Store this properly and keep it refrigerated para may pambaon and snack for the entire week. Here's Lana's snack for today. Syempre may grapes. Kailangan na maubos yung grapes namin sa ref. Liver spread sandwich. Sabi niya gamitin ko naman daw yung cookie cutter for her sandwich sa school. Kaya ito, bunny cookie cutter para cute yung sandwich niya. Next time ko nalalagyan ng face, hindi pa kasi dumating yung in-order ko na bento tools. Ang cute, diba? Nakakatuwa naman. Yung mga tirang cutout breads dyan, almusal ko later. And then, ito na yung ating ginawang energy bites. Lagi kong sinasabi sa daughter ko na healthy dessert yan. Yung mga nuts is food for the brain. This one naman is creamy kalabasa soup for her daily dose of vitamin A. Yun lang. Happy Monday!